Hello students, the question is what is it that forms the basis of DNA fingerprinting? A. Relative proportion of purine and pyrimidine in DNA. B. The relative differences in the DNA occurrence in blood, skin and saliva. C. The relative amount of DNA in the ridges and grooves of DNA fingerprints. D. Satellite DNA occurring as highly repeated short DNA segment. So which DNA fingerprinting is a technique, ये एक ऐसी टेक्निक है टू आइडेंटिफाई, किस लिए यूज हो रही है, टू आइडेंटिफाई डिफरेंसेस अमंग इंडिविजुअल. कैसे डिफरेंसेस? जेनेटिक डिफरेंसेस अमंग इंडिविजुअल्स. इंडिविजुअल्स में जो डिफरेंट जेनेटिक डिफरेंसेस हैं उनको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए यूज हो रही है. अब इसमें क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? एज वी नो द 99% of DNA, 99.9% of total DNA is same in the individuals, and out of total 10 raised to power 9 base pair, that 1%, 0.1% that is different is 3 into 10 raised to power 6 base pair. And it is quite difficult, बच्चे यहाँ बहुत difficult है कि इतने सारे sequence को match करना. So it is long time consuming and money consuming process. So to avoid that, among this 0.1% DNA, the most of the DNA shows repeated sequences. That repeated DNA is there, and this repeated DNA is tandemly repeating. These repeats are tandem repeats. And when the total DNA is centrifuged, it too shows two peaks. One is the bulk DNA, the major DNA, and another is a small peak of this repeated DNA referred as satellite DNA. It is referred as satellite DNA, and this satellite DNA has tandem repeats, repeated DNA, tandem repeats, and shows high degree of polymorphism. High degree of polymorphism means it can forms large number of possible types and found different in the different individual. Shows satellite DNA occurring as highly repeated short DNA segments is the basis of DNA fingerprinting. So the correct answer here is option D.